Namaste to one and all. Hello students. Once again welcome to the Lotus High School online classes. In the previous classes we discussed about Dirgha Sandhi, End Sandhi and Guna Sandhi and the rules and regulations of Sandhi. Everything we discussed, and today we are going to discuss about Vriddhi Sandhi and Ayadi Sandhi. So let's get, while we are going into that topic, I wanted to say something to you. Most of you are observing and watching the videos, but a few of them were not observing. See, when the school will reopen, then you will suffer a lot. So it is better for you to follow the instructions which are given by the teachers. See, for fun purpose, we are not keeping all these videos. We are not making these videos, and we are keeping in the YouTube. There is a purpose behind it. We are unable to teach you direct, and you are unable to attend the classes directly you are unable to attend. So we are using this medium, so utilize this one and improve your knowledge. All the teachers and staff, everybody is working hard for your future only, so you don't take it as an easy. Okay, follow the rules and instructions which are given by the guided by the teachers. Okay, let's get into the topic. In the previous class we learned about End Sandhi and Guna Sandhi. Let's have a look at End Sandhi and Guna Sandhi. In End Sandhi, the first word last letter must be from these letters, from E, U, Ru, Lu, and the second word can start with opposite to the first word last letter. Then instead of E and E will take place. Then instead of U and U will take place. Then Ru and R will take place. Instead of L will take place in End Sandhi. Whereas in Guna Sandhi, the first word must end with either A or A, and the second word should start with any one of the letters from E, U, Ru, Lu. Then instead of first word last letter and second word first letter, for E and E, A will take place. For U and U, O will take place. Ru and Ru, R will take place, and Lu, Al will take place. These are the rules of End Sandhi and Guna Sandhi of the previous video. Now we are going to discuss about this Vriddhi Sandhi. In this Vriddhi Sandhi, the first word must end with A or A, short vowel A or long vowel A. See, in Guna Sandhi also, the first word should end with either A or A. In Guna Sandhi, the second word should start with E, U, Ru, Lu. Any one of the letters from E, U, Ru, Lu. We discussed in that one. But whereas in Vriddhi Sandhi, the second one should start with A, I, O, O. Any one of the letters from A, I, O, O. See here, the letters were changed. See, in the both the places, only vowels has taken place. Swaras only taken place. See, A, I, U, Ru, Lu, A, I, O, O. So from these only we have taken. Then what will happen? Then instead of first word last letter and second word first letter, which letter will take place? We will see here. For A and I, the long vowel not. These are all. This one also long vowel only. Then I will take place. O among these two, O will take place here. So once again I am saying the rule in Vriddhi Sandhi, the first word must end with either A or A. అంటే వృద్ధి సంధిలో మొదటి అక్షరము పూర్వపదము ఆ లేదా ఆ అనే దాంతో అంతం అవ్వాలి. రెండవ పదము ఏ, ఐ, ఓ, ఔ అనేటువంటి వాటిలో ఏదో ఒక లెటర్తో మొదలవ్వచ్చు. అప్పుడు ఏ, ఐతో కనుక మొదలవుతున్నప్పుడు ఐ అనేటువంటిది ప్లేస్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ఈ రెండింటి స్థానంలో వేటి స్థానంలో మొదటి పదము చివరి అక్షరము, రెండవ పదము మొదటి అక్షరం స్థానంలో ఐ అనేటువంటిది. ఏది ఒకవేళ ఏ అనేటువంటిది కనుక ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా కనుక ఒకటి వస్తే, అదే లేదా ఓ ఔలో కనుక ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా ఒకటి వస్తే అప్పుడు ఔ అనేటువంటిది ఈ రెండింటి యొక్క స్థానాల్లో వస్తుంది. అగర్ पहला अक्षर आ और आ से अंत हो रहा है, अगर नहीं हो आ और आस इन दोनों में एक अक्षर से अंत होना चाहिए वृद्धि संधि में भी, और दूसरा अक्षर ए आई ओ औ इनमें से कोई भी अक्षर से प्रारंभ हो रहा है, तो फिर ए आई इन दोनों में किसी भी अक्षर यहाँ भाग लिया तो इन दोनों में ये दूसरा वाला आई अक्षर यहाँ इन दोनों की जगह में आ जाएगा, और ओ औ में औ इन दोनों की पहले पद अंतिम अक्षर और दूसरे पद पहले अक्षर के जगह में औ आएगा. दिस इज द रूल ऑफ वृद्धि संधि. नाउ वी विल लुक एट इनटू द example. We'll take have a look at here. Sada plus eva. Sada plus eva. Let's split this word. S plus a. The plus a. So we have to underline this one. Eva. A. U plus a. See here first word it is ending with second letter from a group. So here it is in our rules it is there, a is there, and second word it is starting with a, so a is there in our rules. So in spite of these two letters I will take place. So then we have written the rest here, and the newly coming letter also we placed over here. See, ultimately if we join all these letters, sadaiva. Let's have a look at another example. Ekaikaha, here it is there. We will split that one. A plus A plus and A plus A plus Visarga. I divided this one. So the first word last letter is A. If we make sandhi eka plus ekaha, now how this I has taken place at here, we will see. The second word it is starting with A. So instead of these two letters we discussed already that AI instead of among these two letters second word will take place, I told. So ekaikaha. Next another example we will take jalaugaha. In different method we will go now. I am splitting this word as it is, J plus A plus L plus O plus. In reverse manner I am going, G plus A plus Visarga. Now you can see that O letter has taken place. Okay, here there is no swara before this O, so that's why you have to decide that here O has taken place. When O will take place, the first word should end with either A or A. Next second word should start with either O or O. So in that manner you have to go. Now what is the shabda? Jala shabda. Jala shabda won't be there, so that's why it must be Jala shabda. And the second word Ogaha. So first word it is ending with A, second word is starting with O. So instead of these two, O will take place. So Jal plus O plus Gaha. Jalaugaha. Students, here particularly I am writing halantam everywhere. Where it is required halantam, there you must have to keep this symbol. If you are not keeping this symbol, the meaning of the shabda will be changed and the sandhi will also be changed. See here, if you are not keeping here this halantam, it will become a sandhi at here. It will become a sandhi at here. You cannot join this out to ill. You have written this halantam to the la, so that's why then this au was joined to l. Okay, this is the example. Let's look at some more examples over here. The first one it is mahaushadam. Maha plus Aushadam. What were the letters has taken place in the first word last letter? A has taken place. And the second word first letter Au. So these two letters has taken place, and A it is there in our rule, and Au is there in also in our rule. So instead of these two, Au will take place. Mahaushadam. Next one it is Mahaishwaryam. If you split Maha plus Aishwaryam. What are the letters are ending at here? A plus I. So in spite of these two, I will take place. Let's have a look at a few more examples over here. Paramaushadaha. If you split that one, Parama plus Aushadaha. What is the last letter over here? Short vowel A. And what's the next starting letter? Au. In Vrisandhi, these two letters are there in the rules. So instead of these two letters, Au will take place. So Paramaushadaha. Vanaushadihi. Vana plus Oshadihi. Here not Aushadihi, here it is Oshadihi only. Here Aushadaha is different, this is Oshadihi is different. What are the letters were ending at here in the first word last letter? A, it is if you split N plus A it is ending. And starting letter it is O. So according to our rule, these two letters in spite of these two places, Au will take place. Another example, Adyaiva. Adya plus Eva. So the last letter it is ending with A. And second word it is starting with A. So in spite of these two letters, I will take place. So Adyaiva. And if you look at another example, Tathaiva. This is also same as like Adyaiva. Tatha plus Eva. The last letter it is A and the first letter it is A. Instead of these two letters, I will take place. So Tathaiva. And the next example it is Parama plus Ojaha. Paramaujaha. Parama plus Ojaha. So the last letter it is A, and second letter first word it is O. So here between these two letters, instead of these two letters, O will take place. Paramaujaha, like that only. Lokeshana. See, Loka plus Ishana. Last letter A, first letter it is A. I will take place. Lokeshana. Jalaugaha earlier we have discussed. So this is Vruddhi Sandhi. Now we are going to discuss about Ayadi Sandhi. Ayadi Sandhi, the rules of Ayadi Sandhi I will say now to you. The first word must and should end with A, I, O, Au, any one of the letters. The first word should end with any one of the letters from A, I, O, Au. If you observe this A, I, O, Au in Vruddhi Sandhi, this A, I, O, Au only has taken place in Parapadam. Now they are taking place in Purvapadam. So okay, first word must and should end with A, any one of the letters from A, I, O, Au, and second word can start with Swaraha. You can write Swaraha like this or like this. So here, if the first word it is ending with any one of the letters from A, I, O, Au, and it is starting with Swaraha, second word starting with Swaraha, then instead of first word last letter only, means in this area only new letters will take place, new words will take place. Or instead of a, I will take place. Instead of I, o, ow, ow, ow. These letters will take place accordingly, according to the letters which are ending in the first word last letter. So this is the Sandhi rule. So I wanted to ask you one thing. As we earlier discussed that if same group of vowels will take place both the places, then long vowel will take place. We discussed in Dirgha Sandhi. So here the first word is ending with a. Here we have written that swaraha, any vowel. Okay, any vowel can take place. If a will take place at here, then I will take place. No. So most of the people can think like this also. Here you have to remember two things at here. I and a, these two are long vowels only, first of all. And second, the most thing, you have to observe the Dirgha Sandhi rule properly. What is the Dirgha Sandhi rule? In Dirgha Sandhi we have taken from A to Lu only, not A, I, O, Ow. We exempted these letters in Dirgha Sandhi. So we are dealing with in Dirgha Sandhi from A to Lu only. Now we are dealing with all the letters. In second word, first letter only. Okay, let's have a look at the examples over here. First example, Gayakaha. Gai plus Akaha. If you make Sandhi, Gai plus Akaha, it will become. How it has turned into Gayakaha. Now we will see this one. Just split these letters. G plus I plus Akaha. Okay, just underline the first word last letter and second word first letter. See, if you observe this I, it is there in our rules. First word can end with any one of the letters from A, I, O, O we discussed. So it is here it is ending with I. And the second word it is starting with here I told that swaraha, all any vowel I said. So I is also a vowel. So in spite of first word last letter only I said A, I, O, O. These letters will take place respectively I said. Then if you see, instead of I, which letter will come? I. This A will be joined with G. So what it will become? Ga. This A will join with I. Ya. Kaha. Gayakaha. Gai plus Akaha. Gayakaha. So another example we look at. Pavanaha. Po plus Anaha. Pavanaha. Now if you split this one, P plus O plus A plus Naha. I am writing this last letter directly without splitting. If you look at the first word last letter O, so it is there in our rules. O, first word can end with O also, and second word started with A. It is an vowel. Here already we discussed that any vowel. So instead of O, which letter will take place? Ow. Ow has taken place. A will join to Pa, then Pa. This A will join with Va, Pava, Naha, Pava, Naha. Ubhau plus Eva. So here if you split Ubh plus Au plus Eva, the first word it is ending with Au. whereas we see how it is there in our rules, and as well as this instead of this ow will take place. Ow. Second word is starting with a, so it is there in our vowels. So I will join with bha. Av. Second ubha. Ve va. Ubha ve va. అంటే క్లియర్గా రాయాలంటే ఉబ్బు ప్లస్ ఆవు ప్లస్ ఏవా. This is the example. Now look at the another example. Ravanaha. Rau plus anaha. Rau plus anaha. Here it is first word, it is ending with r plus au plus anaha. First word it is ending with au. According to our rules, au is there, and in spite of this au will take place. R plus au plus anaha. Okay, so if you join with this r with a, ra, a with va, rava, ana, this na will change into ana according to natva sandhi rule. This natva sandhi we will discuss in vyanjana sandhi. Okay, these are the examples. Look at here a few more examples. Nayanam. Ne plus anam. Here last letter it is a and a. Which letter has taken place? I. So it has become nayanam. Pavanam. O plus anam. Already we discussed this one. Last letter is po plus a. O av plus a. Pavanam. Nayakaha. Ne plus akaha. Sorry, nai plus akaha. Here I has taken place. Another second word it is akaha. So I plus a. Nayakaha. Pavakaha. Pau plus akaha. Here the last letter it is au. First letter it is a. So in spite of au will take place a. So pavakaha. Sayanam. Se plus anam. First word last letter is a. Second word it is a. I plus a. Sayanam. Navikaha. Nau plus ikaha. Au plus e. So au will take place and e. Navikaha. Bhavanam. Bho plus atam. Here o a. Au plus a. Bhavanam. O plus itram. Here the last letter it is o and e. Au plus e. Pavitram. So this is Ayadi Sandhi. Students, I hope that you understood these two Sandhis today's what we have discussed, Urdu Sandhi and Ayadi Sandhi. Earlier videos also I told you If you are unable to understand anything, you can make a call to me and you can clarify your doubts. Now also I am saying, if you are having any kind of doubts, you can call me and you can clarify, or otherwise after watching this video you can write down in the comment box. And once again I am saying, read the Shabdas and Dhatus properly. Shabdas and Dhatus, these two are more important. Okay students, have a nice day.